Hello, we are the team of Orenburg President Cadet College. Today we are going to tell you about the project we have worked on since January 2013. In January 2013, the teams working in category WRO were given a task to develop and to create a robot that could be able to protect UNESCO World Heritage Sites. There are now 962 natural and cultural objects included into World Heritage. It took us rather a long time to think the idea of robot creation over. We thoroughly studied the list of UNESCO World Heritage and were attracted by the ancient pyramids of Egypt and those of Maya civilization. Despite the fact that they are in different countries, the pyramids have similar features such as structure. But the 9th century Buddhist temple, Borobudur, in Indonesia, impressed us most of all. We chose the temple as the object for protection and decided to create a robot that could attract people's attention to this wonderful monument and help to collect money for its renovation and further preservation. Still, what are the principles of robots' operation and what are the ways of relic preservation? You can develop an automated device that will move along the perimeter and protect the site. But who from and what for? Or you can think of a standalone unit which will analyze the changes, such as temple stone corrosion, in order to use the data in renovation works. But, firstly, to design a device analyzing the temple condition, you have to conduct a multiple research to create a database of its previous conditions. That is impossible for obvious reasons. Secondly, such a device can damage the structure while moving along its perimeter. Thirdly, this device will need additional constructions that will change the temple's original form. Fourthly, it should continuously monitor the place, thus it will disturb the tourists. So we came to a conclusion that it shall be a robot drawing people's attention. Moreover, the robot has to be unique. That is, compact and helpful. It also has to be an instrument of art. To finalize the idea, we referred to the photo report of our trip to Kuala Lumpur in 2012. In the process, we noticed the sand patterns laid out on the floor. You can see them in hotels, shopping centers and other public places. Further on, we studied the pictures of Borobudur and came to a conclusion that it resembles a beautiful pattern if you look at it from above. Later, we learned that the Buddhists also made sand images and called them mandalas. A mandala is a sacral schematic image used in Buddhist and Hindu religious practices. The temple of Borobudur is also the Buddhist one. On the basis of our research, we decided to create a robot that could draw images from sand. Thus, the device will satisfy all the requirements stated earlier. The creation of such a robot becomes more and more actual as sand images are popular with people. They catch our eye and you can't just go by without stopping and enjoying the sight. However, it is very difficult to make a sand pattern without any experience. The originality is that there is still no device able to create sand images. Moreover, you can place the robot either indoors or outdoors in any place of the world. As the main purpose of the project is to advertise the Buddhist pyramid of Borobudur, the major part of the present pattern should be devoted to Buddhism. To decide on the patterns, we contacted one of the most Buddhist communities. So we were advised to draw certain mandalas, including the one with a view on Borobudur from above. Considering that sand mandalas and all their patterns and attributes refer to Tibet and Buddhist traditions, we will be able to make images not only in the form of mandalas.